Sabika came to America full of hopes and dreams and ambitions, and she came home in a casket. She did not deserve to die like that. And on behalf of her parents, I am asking you to hold these defendants accountable for her death.
Closing arguments in the civil trial related to the 2018 Santa Fe shooting took place today in Galveston. It focused on the responsibility of accused shooter Dimitrios Pogorczy's parents and their role in the shooting that left 10 people dead and 13 others injured. Fox 26's Sherman Desselle is joining us live from the county courthouse. He's wrapping up today's proceedings. Sherman.
Yeah, good evening. So actually, as we're talking right now, attorneys from the plaintiff and the defense are walking in to give a press conference. We'll have that shortly. But the victim's attorneys are asking the jury to hold Dimitrios' parents liable in this tragedy, also asking for the jury to award each family $25 million in damages, and that's on each question in this case, so a total of about $1.2 billion. The defense also argues that this is a matter of their son's mental health declining, and the parents would have stopped the shooting from happening if they knew how bad his conditions were.
An intense set of closing arguments for the civil trial connected to the deadly Santa Fe high school shooting. Pictures of the victims, those killed and injured, seen in court. Their stories of fear and heroism shared once again. Attorneys for the families point to Dimitrios Pogorczy's parents for the killing.
We're here because they have refused to accept any responsibility. It was their son, under their roof, with their guns, who went and committed this mass shooting.
Attorney Clint McGuire argued Pogorczy's planned the attack, citing where he planned to go in the school and wearing a Born to Kill t-shirt. He says multiple warning signs were ignored by his parents, including his declining performance in school, mental health, social isolation, and guns missing from their gun safe.
This is the same display cabinet that has 12 slots for guns. He took 3, and when you count them, there's 9 guns. What Dimitri is saying adds up. He also said he took them 4 months before so that they would notice.
Defense attorney Lloyd Laird urged the jury to set aside personal feelings and focus on the facts.
Plaintiffs want to place blame. It's natural to want to place blame. But where does the blame belong? When a hurricane comes, are we blaming God? Mental illness is a unseen, unknown tidal wave.
Laird says the emphasis should also be on the unknown failures of the school and Lucky Gunner LLC, the online vendor who sold the then 17-year-old the ammunition. And the keys to the gun safe were hidden from the teenager's parents.
The keys were kept in the top of a cabinet that is 8 feet off the floor in the parents' private bedroom. Now, they could have left the guns on the table. They had no duty under criminal law to lock those guns up, because I guarantee you, if they had broken a criminal law, they would have been charged with it. But they didn't.
We wanted these families to be able to get answers as to why they sent their kids to school. Some of them never got it back home.
Okay, so things are actually wrapping up right behind us, just a few yards away. Attorneys for the defense and the plaintiffs are speaking to the press right now. We'll give you more on that within the next hour. The judge has already told the jury to go ahead and start deliberating on their final decision. We'll have more of that on Fox26Houston.com. Reporting from Galveston County, Sherman Desselle, Fox 26 News.